Hello and welcome to our channel all about home electronics. Now in this particular video we're going to be taking a close look at LG's 2.1 wireless soundbar offering. It is the SH3K. In actuality it's a wireless subwoofer. We're going to unbox the contents. We're going to review some of the features. For example, on the outside of the box, LG says that with this soundbar, you can control the soundbar with your TV remote. And we get asked this question on the internet all the time. And that question is, how do I control the soundbar with my TV remote? The answer is really not that straightforward and varies depending on the equipment that a person might have. So we're really interested to find out how LG claims to have solved that problem with the SH3K. We're naturally going to evaluate the sound, performance, and quality of this soundbar system. So if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, hit the button at the bottom right of your screen right now. That way you'll stay in touch with tips that we publish in the future. Like the video, and we're going to begin right after this. A quick unbox. We have the soundbar. It felt weighty in the hands. Hopefully that represents large magnets which will produce a high quality sound. Of course, the wireless subwoofer, toss-link optical cable, remote control, batteries, and a wall mount if you decide not to simply set the soundbar right below your TV on a table. So pictured in front of you right now is the soundbar and the wireless subwoofer. Now the soundbar measures just under 38 inches in length. Compared to other subwoofers, that's actually quite long. We tested it beneath a flat screen TV that was a 48-inch screen television, and it was almost too big for that TV. So a 50-inch TV and higher, this would be pretty suitable. Now, the wireless subwoofer can be placed pretty much anywhere within a reasonable distance, and it measures at 21.5 inches in height, just under 7 inches in width, and about 10 inches in depth. It does need to be placed next to an electrical receptacle because it needs power. Now, we just want to highlight a few things relating to the appearance of the soundbar. There is no front grill cloth, so what you see on your screen now, the exposed speakers, is the actual finished look. It does have a status indication screen on the front, which when you change a status, whether it's power up, power down, that'll flash on the screen and then it'll disappear so it doesn't disrupt you during the program. And on top it has a physical power button, function button, and a volume up and down button. Now, as we mentioned, this particular LG is rather easy to set up. It only has two inputs. One is the toss-link optical inside here, and they did provide that cable. There's also what they call a portable input. You could connect a stereo jack to a red-white output on the back of your TV, but LG designed it primarily for portable devices, be it your phone or tablet, so that you can listen to audio tracks or music through the soundbar. Now, this is the remote that comes with the soundbar and subwoofer package. It's pretty straightforward, and it basically highlights a couple of simple features that the soundbar itself processes the audio track in 3 different ways based upon your choosing. There's a standard format, there's one if you want to highlight the voice, and then there's like a cinematic format. According to the owner's manual for the SH3K soundbar, there are 8 manufacturer brand televisions whereby the TV remote of those TVs should be able to control the volume of this particular soundbar. They are LG, of course, Panasonic, Philips, Samsung, Sharp, Sony, Toshiba, Vizio. We tested 3 of them, the Vizio, the Samsung, and the Sony. All 3 of them controlled the volume perfectly right away, no setting changes. We want to sum up a few of our findings. First, we found the installation and setup of this LG soundbar subwoofer to be about as simple as any we've ever seen. When we turned the power on for our television, the soundbar powered up because it automatically identified the signal. When we turned it off, it shut off automatically. With respect to the LG's performance regarding sound quality, sound performance, etc. It performed well. What that means, in our opinion, is that it was a total improvement to the speakers built into the flat screen television that we were using in the test. No doubt about that. We watched news programs, and the vocal words used in the news program were very easy to understand. The voice feature helped to enhance the voice of voice-only programs. We also put it on to the cinematic sound processing function, and the movie was enjoyable. The subwoofer produced good bass. It was a thumping bass. We felt that it had a little tinge of what we would characterize as a hollowness to it. But if you've never had a subwoofer soundbar before, chances are good you probably won't pick that up. Keep in mind, we listen to a lot of different brands and makes, so we did notice that. The other thing, the construction of the subwoofer, this is the back side of it right here, looks to be like a pressed board. It's not very finished, where you're not going to really see the back side typically. Other brands that are competing, we thought, had a little bit better finish on it. But the appearance of the subwoofer from the side and the front is absolutely fantastic. So, hey, listen, thanks for checking out the video. If you didn't subscribe, please do it. Give it a thumbs up. We hope you have a great day.